Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Let's do some paper crafting for him. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers, and thank you to everyone, and I mean everyone, who is supporting me in so many positive ways. I get a lot of questions about masculine crafting, and in a lot of cases, with the exception of paper purses, if you change the paper, you can also change the look and the feel of that project. But today we're going to be very specific. We are going to focus on masculine crafting, and we're going to do it in the form of cards because we always need cards for him. So today I'm going to make one card with you, and then I'm going to share with you two other cards that I've made. And the beauty of these cards are the Dollar Tree stickers that were used to make them. So I'll give you a look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, making cards for him, just like making cards for anyone, can be so simple. And that's what I'm going to show you today. We're going to take some Dollar Tree stickers, some craft cardstock, and we're going to make some very masculine but very cute greeting cards. This one says World's Best Dad, and it measures 5.5 by 4.5. And then this one says Smile, and it's very, very simple. And it measures 7 by 5. And on the inside of each one, I have added just a little something that'll give you a starting point for where to write. And on this one, it says My Hero. So in looking at these, you can tell that they're very simple cards. And cards don't have to be full of this and full of that. It's the message behind the card that really counts. And I love the messaging behind these cards. So we're going to make one card together. And y'all, I am not putting a whole lot into these cards. I am keeping them very simple, and as you can see, they look very nice. You're crafting, find your own comfort zone and craft for you. Don't craft necessarily for a trend. Craft what you like, because that is exactly what I do, and I think it's one of the reasons why my channel has been so well received by you guys. I craft what I like. I craft what I'm comfortable with. And y'all, for me, that's usually not the trend of the day. I've always marched to the beat of a different drummer, and my crafting is no different. So we're going to take our card and we're going to decorate it. So here I have my base, and my base measures 9 by 6. I scored it at 4.5. So we now have a card that is 4.5 by 6. Then I have these two inside bases that measure 4.25 by 5.75. And that's just to give some stability to this craft cardstock. I got this cardstock from Hobby Lobby, I believe, and it's not the strongest cardstock there is, but I like the natural look of it for this craft, so we're going to go with that, and that's why I'm doubling up, just to make sure everything is nice and firm. So I took those two mats. I had already run them through my Xyron sticker maker, or you can use some of the sticky sheets I showed you in a previous video. You can use tape, you can use glue, whatever's going to work for you. All right, so now that we have the inside covered, I am going to take some of these little metal-like pieces that I showed you in my haul video. I am going to put one right there. Then I think I'm going to take my Gone Fishing, put my Gone Fishing down right there, lift this up and straighten it out. And I'm going to take the other one and we're just going to put it down here. We're going to keep this card extremely simple. And that is my third card made using Dollar Tree stickers. So super easy. And of course I want to add just a little sticker to the inside. So I have this sticker, and this is not from Dollar Tree. This is actually from Hobby Lobby. And I'll show you the sticker pack in just a minute. But the sticker pack that I'm using from Hobby Lobby is the Family Phrases pack, and it was $5.99. And I think I've had this one probably for about 3 years. You can see I've used it a lot, but it has sayings for every family member possible. So I am just going to get that nice and stuck. And I'm just making sure that I have a good stick on the outside as well as on the inside. 3 beautiful cards that we made using Dollar Tree stickers. Here I use those border stickers to highlight this Project Life series here. And then I use Dollar Tree stickers here, here, and here. So I like how I anchored this particular large sticker using these pieces almost like tape that was torn and put down. And then with this one, it has actually turned out to be my favorite. And honestly, I don't even know why, but I just like the way that it turned out. But I hope that this is giving you just a general way of how we can use those Dollar Tree stickers in our crafting. We can pull them out and we can make them the focal point of the craft, just like here. And if you're looking for the envelope sizes for these 3 cards, please check the description box for where to go to get that information. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this super easy way to use those Dollar Tree stickers, and I hope that you have enjoyed this fun project. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.